Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. You can probably see I've got a huge grin on my face, and there's a very good reason for that. I'm about to give away everything on this table to club members, Mark's House and Garden UK Club. Let me explain a little bit more about what's going on here. On the first of every month now, I have a prize draw, which is my giveaway gift bundle. Where do we get the prizes from? Well, I'm offered prizes all the time. I'm very often offered products to do reviews on, and now if I'm offered a product, I ask for two, one for me to do a review on and one to give away to a club member. So for example, there's an electric chainsaw there. I was given two. I'm having one. One is going out to a club member during January. Two pairs of almost indestructible gloves, two torches, and there's a few other prizes on this table, and it will become clear how they've got there in a moment. Right, so on the 1st of January, I'm having a draw. In this pot here is a piece of paper for each of the prizes. So there are 7 pieces of paper in that pot. It's actually a plant pot holder. I will put my hand in there and pull out a piece of paper that will identify a prize. In this pot here, this plant pot holder, is a piece of paper with every single member's name on it. I've printed them off, I've cut them up, I've folded them up, and I've put them in there. Now the cut-off for joining for the following month's draw is the 25th of the month. So I just want to say, Kim and Peter, yes, you are in. You got your money in the bank in time, so you are in this draw. So all the names of the members are in there. All the prizes are in there. Let me just run through the prizes. This envelope represents a £12 voucher. A member called Davy Monty, overpaid on his admin fee. Instead of paying £12, he paid £24. And rather than have the £12 refunded to him, David, or Davy, has very kindly donated it as a prize. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to let whoever wins that choose something off Amazon for £12. Then I will use my Prime account to send it to you. And the reason I want to use my Prime account is because we'll get free postage. I don't want you to use some of that £12 for postage. So choose something off Amazon, let me know what it is, and I'll send it to you. Right, what's next? In each of these boxes is a torch. They're identical. We were sent two. One was for me, one was for a club member. I've already got a torch. I suggested that my co-director, Jerry, had the other one, but Jerry's insisted that both these go in the prize draw for January. So we've got two beautiful, high-powered, rechargeable torches in here. They're very portable. You could put them in your pocket, your wash bag, your handbag, your car. Beautiful little torches. I've done a review on them just in case you're interested. There's two torches. There are 2 pieces of paper in the pot. So somebody will win torch 1 and somebody else will win torch 2. I was sent by Cladis some lovely gloves, actually gardening gloves, but you could use them for DIY, you could use them for walking the dog. They're almost indestructible. There's 5 layers of protection and they've got non-stick pads on the palms. One pair for me, which I've used quite a lot, so I'm going to keep those. And a brand new pair in that envelope for a club member. I'm going to come to this last and this. In this box here is an electric rechargeable chainsaw, very, very lightweight. I mean, it really is easy to use and it's very lightweight and it's very powerful. And again, I got 2. I've been using this a lot in my garden, so I'm keeping that one. The one in the box is brand new and I will be posting that to a prize winner during January. Okay. So we've covered 5 prizes. There are 7 prizes this month. This is a garden furniture cover. I bought some garden furniture last year from Bridgman. Quite a nice brand actually. And they gave me 2 garden furniture covers. So that one is being given away in this prize draw. Now you might recognise that because in actual fact, that was in the December draw, but Ruth won it and decided she didn't want it. So what you can do is if you don't want one of these prizes, you can have a voucher instead. And the voucher is equivalent to your membership or your admin fee. So Ruth had paid £12 to join. She got a £12 voucher, effectively her money back. She gets 12 months for free. but that prize is now rolling over. Let's move on to the 7th and final prize before we do the draw. Some plant lights, some LED indoor plant lights. Now then, again, you might recognize these because Charlie won those last month, but Charlie didn't want them, so he also had a voucher. So they're rolled over as well. So we've got 7 prizes for 7 members, and I'll do the draw in a minute. But before I move on to the draw, if you're interested in joining the club, have a look. There'll be a link in the description box below this video and a link at the end of this video. So please do have a look. As I've said, it's £12 a year, £1 a month. You get my newsletter, you get entered into 12 different draws. And incidentally, this is the prize for the February draw. This is our most expensive prize yet to date. Everyone that's already joined up will be entered into the draw for this in February. And I'm not going to disclose what it is until I've done a review on it. Okay, have a look at the website, join up if you like. It will be wonderful to have you on board. The more people we get signed up as members, the more power we've got with suppliers to negotiate. And also, if you're one of the first 1,000 people to join up, and we've not reached 1,000 yet, you will be a founder member and you will get 50% off. So that's why it's £1 a month. The normal fee is £24 a year. Right, let's move on and do the draw. I'm going to pull a name out of that pot. That will be the prize. Then I'm going to pull a piece of paper out of this pot. That will be the person winning it. Shall we do it? Let's do it. Now I've put a napkin over the pots so that you know that I can't see what's going on inside. I shall take my hand. I shall look away and I shall reach in. I'll give it a bit of a stir and then I will take a piece of paper out. Gloves. These are the Cladis gloves. Okay, who's going to win them? Again, I can put my hand in, give it a stir, and I shall draw one name out. And that person will win those gloves. Janet. Janet, a pair of gloves will be on their way to you. Jerry will be in touch for your address. Your membership number is 1013JS. Janet, the gloves, if you want them, are yours. You can choose a £12 voucher instead. Let's go back in now for another prize. I've got to do this 7 times and it's very exciting. The next prize to come out is Torch 1. So one of these torches is going to a club member, and that club member is Graham. Graham, a torch is yours if you want it, or you can have a £12 voucher. Your membership number is 1019GC. Right, let's take another prize. Here we go. This is the £12 voucher donated by Davy Monty. And the winner of the £12 voucher is going to be... Wouldn't it be wonderful if it was Davy Monty? Because he donated the prize. Robert, 1018RW Robert. So you're getting a £12 voucher to spend on Amazon. Robert, did you win something in the December draw? You're really doing well. You need to buy a lottery ticket because it's probably your lucky day. Right, in we go for another prize. And the next prize to come out is the garden furniture cover. Bridgman garden furniture cover. And the person winning that, if they want it, is Gwen. 1002GS, Gwen. That's yours if you want it. Right, let's go in for another. I suppose I just keep going until we run out of pieces of paper, don't we? The next prize is Torch 1. So we've already given away one of these torches. I have two, and the winner of that torch is Pamela. Pamela 1005 PC. The torch is yours. Wonderful. Right. I think we've got two prizes left. In theory, that should be the case. One of them is the star prize, the chainsaw. Right. Plant lights. That's these LED plant lights to my left. And the winner of the plant lights is Steve. 1024 SG Steve. Again, that name sounds familiar. I suppose we've not got up to our 1,000 members yet, so there's a much higher chance of you winning. Steve, did you win something in December as well? Anyway, there's no rule against winning twice. You can win every month if you want, if you come out. Right, so presumably there'll be one piece of paper in here, and it will say chainsaw on it. Indeed it does. So who is going to win that chainsaw? And the winner of the chainsaw is David. 1020 DM Davy Monty. You gave us £12 to put in as a prize, and you won the star prize. Well, I'm happy about that. Davy, if you want it, the chainsaw is on its way to you. The draw is complete. Wow, that's exciting, isn't it? I'm going to move the camera a little bit further away from me, and then I'll say goodbye. Well, that was exciting and fun, and I feel very, very happy because it does feel like we're actually giving something back. So that's wonderful. I have to say thank you to everyone that watches my YouTube videos, and thank you particularly to everyone that's joined the club. I hope you're enjoying being a member, and I hope you enjoy your prizes. Jerry will be in touch for your address, and don't forget you can take the prize or you can take a £12 Amazon voucher. Very, very happy. So if you want to join up, have a look at the website. There's a link in the description box below this video and a link at the end of the video. Now, if you are a product provider and you want me to review a product for you, and you can give us a discount code and 2 products, get in touch. And I am reminded that in February, this will be going out to a club member. This is the most valuable prize we've been given to date, and I'm really excited to do a review on it. I shall see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.